To access the sectors panel, just use the arrows on the data panel up here, and you can scroll over to it. And once it's there, it'll present to you the names of all the sectors as well as the quantity of items within each one. And for example, here's a very large one, 649 different ticker symbols in this one. But if you click on that, it'll show the subsectors and the respective much smaller quantities within those. You can see all these. So there's thousands and thousands of symbols here organized by sector. Now, this is sort of an unreasonably large quantity to go through. So what you probably want to do is apply some filters. And you can apply by three different ways. One is by price. So for example, you may have no interest in anything under, say, $10 a share, and no interest in anything above $500 a share. You also might want to avoid thinly traded items. So you might require that any given ticker symbol displayed trade at least 500,000 shares a day, and maximum volume is fine because there's really no such thing as too actively traded a stock. And quite usefully here, there's the show only symbols not in any of my watch lists, so you can exclude things that you're following already. And when you apply that, it strips away all the items that meet those that filter based on those parameters. And as you can see, the quantities are much, much smaller. In addition, for clarity, it lightens the name of anything in which filters are being applied. In this case, everything is affected because the parameters are pretty strict. So everything is a lighter color. And so that makes it quite plain which ones have had some filtration done. Lastly, and quite helpful, is the fact that you can use the up and down arrow keys to scroll through the items that have survived your filter, if you've done them. You can go up and down, and this is a good way to explore and look for new trading ideas. Now, I'm recording this on a rather small screen. This is a little bitty laptop, and so there's not much room left for the chart. On a good big screen, you'd have plenty of room. But if you are constrained, you can simply drag the divider between the data panel and the chart in order to give yourself more room.